Hello, welcome to KittiesMama. Welcome to this week's vlog. Today,
Yeehaw.
not today, this week we went to prom. I went with my boyfriend Joseph.
Wait, should I do this?
Oh, yeah, that's cute.
And I went with my girlfriend Paige.
I wore a very cute Spanish-looking dress from Rent the Runway.
I wore what every boy wears to a dance. First was to dinner.
We went to a restaurant.
We ate there.
But it was really good. It's kind of fancy. We all kind of shared a pizza.
And it's dark, so mood lighting. And it was fancy, so you know it's dark. So bad footage. And then we arrived at the dance. I danced with my date too.
There was some fun swing dancing.
Oh wait, Footloose was
great.
also fun.
Paige, she got hit on like a whole lot of times at the dance because a guy tried to trip her.
And he said, "Fall for me," and we just didn't understand. And then he clapped in my ear really loud because he was like, "Oh, that's her boyfriend." Someone ran out of the bathroom as Juju, as that beat was turning on, and said, "This is my song!"
Do you see that? Oh my God!
Maybe they already know what song is playing.
Oh my gosh, I love this song.
I do
I
too.
know what it is. I really, really know what it is.
Fun parts were whenever we sat down and we're like, "Oh, that person has a cute outfit."
I
Oh, that one, I like that
I
one.
complimented a lot of people. A lot of people complimented me. There's just a whole lot of positivity.
There were a lot of people not wearing shoes, and if you're gonna go to a dance, why don't you like bring flats too?
Anytime,
That's some foot fungus right there.
anytime Paige and I were to go to the bathroom, there'd be just like a whole group of girls in there going ha 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 ha, because they were just like, "Oh man, it's so hot out there on the dance floor. I just want to chill in the bathroom." So a whole lot of people were just chilling in the bathroom.
The people who took up the seats were just like, you don't go to dance and leave your shoes on the table.
Well-
If you're not gonna be sitting down, leave open the table.
Also, somebody had left their M&Ms at a table, and that was there for like the entire dance. So anytime we sat there, I would eat their M&Ms. My school friends sat down, they're like, "These are M&Ms?" And I said, "No." Like, as I'm like setting them down from eating them. Joseph didn't give this to me. He just gave it to me to like give to our dad, and I was cold. He's like,
Okay.
so now I'm wearing it.
Did you have fun?
Yes. It was very fun.
Welcome back.
Hi.
Welcome back. Did you have fun?
Yes.
I had a pretty fun time.
50-50.
Like, if I...
It was too crowded.
It was very crowded and very party-like, and most of the time I hate parties, but because I was with people that I like, I had fun.
That's basically it, but I hated parties more so it was like 50-50.
Noah did go to the dance. He went as a friend with his ex-girlfriend.
And then they weren't friends anymore after that, so she kind of shafted him a little bit. I asked him how was him and Rachel, and he went, "Pfft."
Probably already clicked off, but I mean, if you want some tea, that's it.
Noah, how was your prom experience?
I don't want to talk about that.
Alright, there you go. There's your answer, folks. Thanks for watching. Comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up, follow us on Twitter, and see you later, alligator.
Peace out, YouTube.
Click these rectangles to watch our videos and click the circle to subscribe. Bye.